A stands for Americans who never will be slaves. B's for Boston's bravery that ever freedom saves. C is for the Congress which though loyal will be free. D stands for defense against all force and tyranny. Stand firmly A to Z, we swear forever to be free. E stands for the evils which a civil war must bring. F stands for the dreadful fate for people and for king. G's for George, may heaven grant him wisdom, health, and grace. H is for the hypocrites who wear a double face. Stand firmly A to Z, we swear forever to be free. J's for justice which the traitors now in power defy. K's the king again who should to such the axe apply. L's for London where he sits to honor ever true. M's for Mansfield who it seems doth hold another view. Stand firmly A to Z, we swear forever to be free. N is North who to the House the evil mandate brings. O's for oaths which seemingly bind subject, not their kings. P stands for the people who their freedom would defend. Q stands for the question, when will England's troubles end? Stand firmly A to Z, we swear forever to be free. R stands for the rebels, not in Boston but at home. S stands for the Stuarts sent by Whigs aboard to Rome. T stands for the Tories who may try to bring them back. V stands for the villains who have well deserved the rack. Stand firmly A to Z, we swear forever to be free. W must stand for Wilkes, who us from war and saved. Y for York, the new now half corrupted, half enslaved. Z we give to Zero, which refers to Tory minions who threaten us with fire and sword to bias our opinions. Stand firmly A to Z, swear forever to